The future's near, clearing the path, the vision clear. Rising up, we're set to spark. Faith hits play and lights the dark. We're stepping out, prepared to shine. Victory with Ash, right on time. October's calling, the launch will show. A new era rising, the world will know. The next phase, we're stepping in with Ash and his team. The journey begins, a new dawn breaks, a brighter scene. Every move reveals what we mean. The next phase, we're reaching higher, building dreams and fueling fire. Together we rise, our spirits blaze, united forever. In the next phase, with every challenge, we stand strong. On this journey, we all belong. Each step we take, each move we make, the future is ours, make no mistake. With mystical fighters, vision lighting the way, breaking the mold, making waves today. From bold ideas to a promise sealed, Ash is delivering the dream revealed. The next phase, we're stepping in with Ash and his team. The journey begins, a new dawn breaks, a brighter scene. Every move reveals what we mean. The next phase, we're reaching higher, building dreams and fueling fire. Together we rise, our spirits blaze, united forever. In the next phase, we rise together, a family strong. With every heartbeat, we move along. From dreams to action, the spark has grown. October ignites, victory with Ash is shown.